What's up, entrepreneurs, and welcome back to the Insane Entrepreneur. And for this week's topic, we're going to talk about niching a business. Okay, so when people talk about opening a business, one of the biggest complaints I hear people talk about often, time and time again, is saturation. And everyone always wants to talk about how they need to stand out from the competition, how this industry they chose is saturated. The truth is, most industries are saturated. Unless you're completely creating a new industry, you're gonna be in an industry that's most likely saturated. So some of the best ways to fight against saturation is to niche out your business. So that could mean, say for example, you want to start a bookkeeping company, then focus specifically on personal finance. Or start a bookkeeping company that's specific to an industry, such as maybe construction, is one example, or cleaning. You're specific to just cleaning offices, or you just clean windows. So niching out a business allows you to stand out from the competition. Despite the fact that it's saturated, a lot of people will just jump into a business and say, we service everybody. I just want anybody, it doesn't really matter. Well, when you're niched, you say, well, he's not focused, I'm very focused, I'm actually a professional, and having that niche allows you to better present as a professional. So some of the downsides to niching out a business is you're gonna miss out on a lot of business. So if you niche out a business and say you only clean windows, you know a guy who waxes floors, and that's his niche. So you can be like, look, I'll kick business over to you because I know you just wax floors, and I don't know, maybe you can kick some business to me since you don't clean windows, and boom, there you go. It's another way to market. So that's pretty much the basics of niching out a business. So remember, don't go out there and use saturation as an excuse, because it's just that. It's an excuse to not start your business. You gotta get out there and niche a business, be a professional and know everything about that niche, and you're all set and start getting some business.
Stand up.